In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete sent email in New Outlook. Now to do this, you actually want to go to your sent folder over here on the left. So it's called sent items. Now if you can't see this, you may have to extend it by clicking on your email address over here. And then when you click on it, you want to find the email that you wish to delete. So you want to, of course, hover over it, and you can then go and just click on it like this. And you can then either click on delete up here. You can go and click on this delete button over here, or you could also right click and there's going to be a delete option up here. Okay, so when you click on this, it's going to get deleted. And then if you want to confirm your deletion, you want to go to deleted items over here, and you want to basically delete it from here as well by clicking empty folder in the top left. Now if that's not what you wanted, but you actually just want to recall the email, which means you've actually sent an email, but of course the recipient hasn't yet read it, and you want to cancel the sending, so you want to basically unsend the email per se without them actually seeing that you've unsent it and without them actually receiving it, then for this you'll be able to do it as well, but you will have to use a work or school accounts. So this is only going to be available on work or school accounts. Again, you want to go to send items, and you want to right click on the specific message you want to delete or recall. You want to right click, go to advanced options, and if you're using work or school accounts, you'll be able to click on over here. It's going to say recall, and you'll be able to recall this message. Now again, this is only going to work if you and the recipient share the same Microsoft 365 or Exchange organization, and of course you have not read the message yet, of course the person who received it. So that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.